Hello everybody, it's Alicia and welcome to Naturally Alicia. So you all are about to come with me to the Gucci store because I have to buy a gift for my husband for Valentine's Day. So one, I didn't realize, I forgot that this store was so close to my job. And so I'm like, let me take a little lunch break and let's go do a little look-see. And I'm gonna take you all with me. So come on. Okay y'all, so I am back and we're gonna do a little unboxing so I can show you what I got. So one, let me start this by, this is probably my third experience going into the Gucci store to purchase something. My first time, granted, at a different location, terrible. It was not like the luxury experience as one would expect it to be, especially for spending the amount of money that we were spending. And it was my own people who was my SA, and it's like, you can't be any more invested or involved. You didn't offer us anything to drink. We were spending big money in here and we should have left. But anyway, so that aside, I ended up going to the newest location in my city that happens to be close to my job. Totally different experience. One, there was nobody in there, and like they were just so appreciative, like, yes, thank you for coming, come back, like it's always kind of dead here. So I'm going to be back, and because of that, like the service that I received, spectacular, top tier. Aaron was my SA for that day. I got his information. I'm gonna keep him on record. But anyway, so I went in there with the purpose of getting my husband a Valentine's Day gift. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna mess up this pretty bow, but I knew that I wanted him to, I knew that I wanted to get him this particular thing. I wasn't sure where I wanted to get it from, but when I thought about my husband, I was like, yeah, I have to get it from here. And then it didn't hurt that the store was literally a 5-minute drive from my job. So I was able to go there, get it, go back to work. I ain't waste no time. Like that wasn't even a full lunch break. Okay, so open the box. Bow is still intact because I'm putting it all back on because he's gonna get this in a couple days. It's wrapped. You open it up, and here it is. It's this black on black Gucci like signature belt. I mean, not belt, but tie. I wanted the black because I just think this black on black is so sleek. It's very like quiet, but if somebody is up on you, they gonna see it, but back up, get all off my man. I think it's so cute for that. And he is very much like understated. He's not the showy type, and so I think this would be great for him. And what led me to this, one of my coworkers, great guy, love him, love his fashion and style. He came in one day and he had on, it was a Louis Vuitton tie. And I was like, okay, I see you. He said, you know what? You the first person that recognized it. He was like, I wanted something that was low key, but you know, like if you know, you know. And I'm like, that's cute. I like that. And that for me in my head was like, ooh, I should buy my husband something like that. Granted, my husband don't even wear ties like that much. But you know, if he has to and he want to step out, like you gonna step out. So this is what I got. And it's just in the box. Let me make sure that the price ain't on it. So it was $240. That's just the price for pretty much all of their ties. It's 100% silk. I think he's gonna love it. So in addition to that tie, I also got him, which I'm going to show in another video, the Dior Sauvage cologne. But I'm going to do another video about a whole Dior beauty unboxing and all the things that came there. But that is it. That's what I got my husband for Valentine's Day. That is what I went to the store for. Would I be lying if I said I wasn't going to go back to the store on another lunch break? I would be lying if I said that, because I have plans. I've already said, ooh, maybe once a month I might go in there just to peep the scene and see what they got, see what might be speaking to me. But it's so close and it's so cute, and you know, invite me to all the special little this store stuff. But that's all. Thank you all for watching this video. Please be sure to like this video. Thumbs up. It don't take that much. This video is really short, so you made it to the end. Go ahead and like it. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Become a part of my friend group. It's fun over here, and you know, you can skip the video. Just because you subscribe don't mean you gotta watch everything, but I mean, I have good content, so you would want to watch. Especially if you're here, it's because you are interested in the same kind of things that I'm interested in, which is luxury minimalism, healthy living, and just, you know, making a difference, being great, leaving a small footprint as we go through this big old world. Like, comment, subscribe, said all those things. Thank you all for your time. I'll see y'all later. Bye.